Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, and today I'll show you how you can scan your fingerprint when the screen is turned off. So as you can see right now, when I try to scan my fingerprint sensor, it is not working. I just have to tap the I have to press the power button, and after that I can put my finger on the sensor and it will work, right? But if you want to get from the lock screen, from the totally turn it off screen, you have to go for the biometrics and the security, tap on the fingerprints, input your lock method, and then you have to tap on the fingerprint always on feature. Tap on the switcher, and when it's turned on, when we are going to turn off our screen, we can simply put finger here, and right now it works, as you can see. So that's how we can make it in the Samsung Galaxy A32 5G. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.